Hey y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today we're doing our very first death of this game, Cup of Acid. Here we go. Now, I actually can't wait because I have a special thing that I screen recorded and I'm going to be using for the death scenes, either male or female. Because yes, the player, us, can die in this game too, outside of doing Haru, but this is going to be done to Haru, if I recall correctly. It is green. That is green. Oh no. This is burning like instant pain. The taste is sharp and searing, like my mouth is on fire. My whole body is freaking out. This is dangerous. It's like swallowing pure pain, and I need help now. This is seriously bad. Oh.
Finish her!
Yeah, that's bad. Nah, that's bad. She died. Game over. So now that's bad. That's really bad. And then we get a special thing like this. Just wait. If it can load. Did I just die? How unfortunate. Yeah, you did just die. But yeah, that is Cup of Acid. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.